Hello viewers, welcome to the video. In this video, we'll try to write a program to compute the total accrued amount using simple interest and compound interest. So coming to the problem, uh, here we want to write a Python program to compute total accrued amount using simple interest. So formula for computing total accrued amount using simple interest is A is equal to P into 1 plus RT, where A is the final amount that we want to compute and P is the initial principal balance and R is an annual interest rate and T is a time in years. So here is the a sample function for computing the simple interest amount. So we are converting above formula into a program. Here A is equal to P into 1 plus RT. Here we are taking T by 12 because we have considered 12 in months and in the formula we have to compute for year. So here A is equal to P into 1 plus R into T by 12. So if we consider P is equal to 10,000, R is equal to 0.12 and T is equal to 12, the simple interest is calculated as 11,200. So here we are calling this particular function here and with these values P, R and T and total accrued amount A is computed. Similarly, we can use another formula to compute total accrued amount for compound interest. Here, the formula for computing total accrued amount for compound interest is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by N power NT, where A is an total accrued amount, P is an initial principal balance, R is an interest rate, N is an number of interest applied per period. So here is the function where we are converting our formula into a function. Here A is equal to P into power. So here we are computing N into T in the formula. So we are using power of 1 plus R by N whole to the power of N into T. So this converts A is equal to P into 1 plus R by N power of N into T. So this is how we wrote our function. So here we are calling this particular function here with P, R, N and T with the principal letters 10,000, R is 0.12, N is 12 and T is 12. And the total amount is total accrued amount is coming to 41,906. So this is all for this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.